Hello and welcome. In this video, we will learn about FortiGuard's extended SaaS database and enhanced GUI support for inline CASB applications. In FortiOS, the Inline CASB profile enables a FortiGate to perform granular control over SaaS applications directly in firewall policies. A firewall policy must use proxy-based inspection with a deep inspection SSL profile so that FortiGate can scan the traffic payload, recognize the traffic of the designated SaaS app, and apply CASB filtering. To start off this demo, let's ensure that Inline CASB is enabled in the Feature Visibility page. Then let's access the Inline CASB section under Security Profiles. Here, let's go to the SaaS Application tab. The CASB database shown here defines the SaaS apps by their domain names and helps FortiGate detect the SaaS traffic. In the early versions, the CASB database defined a few dozen SaaS apps. Today, the CASB database defines over 2,800 SaaS apps. This increase helps the admin find and filter the SaaS apps directly, rather than finding the SaaS app manually. The new CASB database organizes apps into categories. It also includes the popularity of each SaaS app. These two new pieces of information, the category and popularity, are shown along with the app's name and help with finding a whole group of apps. Consider a real-world scenario where an admin wants to restrict or allow traffic for a certain category of SaaS apps, say AI and machine learning apps. To configure the firewall, we need to create a CASB profile and add it to the firewall policy. To create a CASB profile, we can use the FortiGate GUI. Go to Security Profiles, then the Inline CASB section and create a new profile. Then we need to find the SaaS app or define it manually. With a rich and extended database, the admin is more likely to find the SaaS app in the database rather than manually defining it. Although the apps table is long, the admin can use sorting, keyword search, or narrow the list of shown applications by applying a filter to the desired category, with or without a filter on popularity. Then choose multiple applications to add them to the profile in a single action, rather than adding the apps one by one. Once the app is added, we can fine-tune the action applied on each user activity of each SaaS app. The actions are allow, block, monitor, or bypass. Some apps have a single general user activity, while others have multiple user activities that reflect their actual functions. Then we need to assign the CASB profile to a firewall policy or proxy policy, depending on the network topology. Here, remember to choose proxy mode. We will enable Inline CASB under Security Profiles and select the CASB profile we created. The SSL profile should use full SSL inspection. This is because almost all SaaS traffic is handled over HTTPS. Now let's go to a user's browser to test this. The user will see a blocked app message as we have set a block action for this SaaS app. Back on the FortiGate, the CASB action is recorded in a log line that can be checked in the log and report page. Under security events, data related to the blocked traffic, such as the client's IP, date and time, and visited source URL, is saved. With this, we conclude our video where we have seen FortiGuard's extended SaaS database and enhanced GUI support for inline CASB applications. Thank you for watching.